Sino ba mananalo kapag nag one-on-one si Kirby Raimundo versus si Poy Eram? Kirby Raimundo is a 6'6" power forward who played for Pure Foods. Nakilala siya sa Pure Foods. One of the best power forwards in the PBA, si Kirby Raimundo. Siya yung tinatawag na parang Kevin Garnett ng Pilipinas kasi yung playstyle niya is similar kay Kevin Garnett. Meron siyang perimeter shooting, nakakatira din siya sa 3 points, and has a good post-up move. Mas finesse siya compared sa mga power forwards natin sa PBA. And then si Poy Eram is a 6'7" power forward center na naglalaro ngayon para sa Token Tex. He's a multiple time national team player. Poy Eram, isa rin to sa mga agile big man na meron tayo, can also shoot the 3. So pag nag-one-on-one sila, sino nga ba yung mananalo? For this one, I would go with Kirby Raimundo. Even though Poy Eram is about an inch or 2 taller than Kirby, ang playstyle ni Poy Eram is more box out, put back. Yes, he is agile, kaya niyang tumira sa labas, pero most of his scoring nakukuha niya nga sa pagkaabang ng rebound and then pag-put back. While Kirby Raimundo can create points for himself. Meron tong mga moves off the dribble. Meron tong shooting. Kaya na tong mag-create ng sarili niyang points. One-on-one na walang magpapasa sa'yo ng bola, I think mas lamang si Kirby Raimundo just because he can create points for himself.